Hi, I'm Shane from Custom Creations, and this is our latest project we've just finished for a client. So it's custom designed by the client. And then we made it become reality for them. So everything is built to all the Australian building codes, and everything is covered under homeowner's warranty as per the building code also. That's all built out of sustainable timber, so it's fantastic for the environment. So being Scandinavian manufactured, obviously it comes as a flat pack. So it's like a big jigsaw puzzle. It was a very quick build. It was only a 23 working day completion. They're perfect for Airbnb, for friends that come and stay, so guest houses, or if you want to kick the teenagers out in the backyard. These designs are perfect for uneven blocks, as everything is built on piers, so there's no concrete slab required. The beauty of these kits is access isn't a problem for us. You can basically walk in the front door and out the back door with our product. No crane needed for installation.